In this video, we'll be showing you how to assemble the PureFun 38-inch universal trampoline ladder. In the package, you will find 2 steps, 2 foam cushions, 4 locks for the steps, and both ladder risers. Slide both steps into the risers. The top of the steps will have 2 solid circles and should face towards the hooks of the ladder. Place 2 step locks on both sides of the risers, with one of the step ladders in between them. The risers will have little crevices that will let you know when to stop sliding the step locks into them. Place a foam cushion into the bottom of the risers and then connect both of them. For the last step to assemble, slide the steps into the locks firmly and make sure the ladder is sturdy. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.